Good morning. It is Saturday, super early, 6 a.m. I'm headed to the gym right now. There's a dog poop on the ground. That's pretty gross. I'm headed to the gym right now. Gonna be lifting legs and shoulders, my favorite workout. And then I might try and go on a bike ride today. Sunny's mom's coming. So I'm not sure what they're gonna want to do, but that's later this afternoon. Very moody sky today. I wonder if it's gonna rain. But anyways, I just got done. Pretty good workout. I'm feeling pretty tired, which is not helping me want to go on this bike ride, but I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna try and head out pretty quickly. I actually decided to hold off on the bike ride. I was feeling a little bit crampy, and it's still a tiny bit cooler than I would want to, so I had some breakfast and I'll see if I want to go on the ride a little bit later. Okay, I just got out of the shower. It's time for me to clean half the house. Sunny left to go see her mom for lunch, and I need to have our apartment clean before they get back. So I'm going to work on that for a while. We just got back from dinner and I'm gonna call it quits. That's it for the day. I will see you tomorrow.